Modeling of electromechanical system element. Okay, first we look at direct current atau DC motor. The application of DC motor, for example, type drive, disk drive, printer, CNC machine, robot, and other. DC motor is represented by a circuit shown in the next. That is the equivalent circuit of DC motor. There is that you have studied it in electrical machine. There is the field circuit, and there is the electrical component of DC motor, and what we call armature circuit, and there is the mechanical part. This is its mechanical part, and there is its load. There is the equivalent circuit of DC motor. Okay, the parameter there consists of RA that is armature resistance, LA that is armature inductance, IAT that is armature current, TMT torques developed by motor, PAT that is armature input voltage, EBT this back EMF, omega mt that is motor angular velocity, theta mt that is the motor angular displacement, Jm that is moment of inertia of motor plus load, Bm that is viscous friction constant of motor plus load. This is the parameter consists in DC motor equivalent circuit. Okay, the two methods to control DC motor, which are armature control, and then the second is field control. We can control the motor using these two kind of method, armature control or field control. Okay, for armature control, field current is fixed, and variable voltage is applied to armature circuit. This is the mechanism. We fix the armature current, and we vary the voltage to be supplied to the armature circuit. For this, for the given DC servo unit, find theta m per VAS, theta ms per VAS. It is assume that KT is torque constant and KB is EMS constant. Therefore, it is the theta, the position of shaft, and then input it is VA, voltage supply for the armature. Okay, there are three conditions of armature, which are in load condition, no load condition, and combining with gear system. This is the two conditions that we want to study in this chapter. Okay, it is find armature circuit equivalent. There is armature circuit. Based on this, we apply Kirchhoff law. Then we get that PA. It is in after we transfer the model into the Laplace, and then we get that VAS, this voltage, is equal to IA S multiple R, and then plus L SIS, LSIS, and plus ABS. This voltage this consists equal to this voltage plus this voltage and plus this voltage, and then we get equation 1. Okay, next it is we look at for mechanical side. This mechanical side, there are here GM, BM, and then it is the shaft is the rigid, and here to move the load, it means we the motor should produce the torques. It is torque TM, mechanical torques, and then mechanical position, and then mechanical speed. This is the inertia of load GL, and BL it is the damping ratio atau damping coefficient of load. Okay, and then by applying Newton's second law and Newton's law, and then we can derive the model, the model for TM that we use to move the motor used to move the or to change the position of the load. The TM it is equal to theta ms and GM plus GL s square plus BM and BL s. It is the formula. It means TM. Okay, this is the mechanical formula. The previous is electrical formula. Okay, now we find the relationship between torques TMS and armature current IAS. Okay, we know that from the electrical side, the torques it is equal to KT IA. KT that is the torques constant, and then relationship between motor EMF EAB S and motor shaft velocity omega ms, where ABS it is equal to KB S M theta ms. This KB it is the EMF motor constant. Okay. So now we have four question, which is number 1. It is electrical side of the motor. There is the 2. It is torques. This is the mechanical. There is mechanical electrical. There is also mechanical electrical. Okay. Now from equation 2 and 3 we can get armature current. Okay, we can get armature current where the armature current is from this we get that IA it is equal to TM per KT. TM there is the TM, we substitute, and then we get equation 5. Okay, insert equation 4 and 5 to equation 1. Okay, 4 and 5 into equation 1. It means we change IA with equation 5, and then AB with equation 4, and then we get equation this. We got this, that EA. We got this, and then we assume that if that A it is J omega M plus J omega L S square plus BM BLS multiple R plus LS, if we assume like that. And then VA, this become simple, this become like this, theta MS in the bracket ZA per KT plus KBS. Okay, theta M, this is the output, and the VA, this is the input. The transfer function is theta MS per VA, this equal to KT per ZA plus KT KBS. Okay. Okay, at the end we substitute again the value of ZA, and then we get that theta M S per PAS is equal to KT per S in the bracket R plus LS close bracket, and then open bracket JM plus JLS square plus BM BL close bracket plus KT KB close bracket. That is that we get the formula. Okay, this is the formula if we control the position of the staff or the position of the load through vary the VA voltage input of the motor. This is the formula. Okay, next we look it for no load condition and combining with the gear system. This is the example in extra note 7. For this, we can see in extra note 7. Okay. Okay, it is extra note 7. You can see again. It is the motor, and it is the time square Q per VAS. This is the mechanism, and then at the end, yes, we get the formula, and then there is the block diagram. This is the block diagram. Okay, this is the block diagram. This block diagram is show the interconnected order. It is not simple, but they can give information to our the mechanism, the correlation between mechanical and electrical. Okay, and then to show the effect of its component. Okay. Okay, if you simplify this by applying the concept that we have studied in block diagram reduction, you can get this. Okay, that is another example. Here there is the gear here. There is gear here, and then there is the load. Okay, there is the block diagram, and then how there is the derivation of the block diagram. Okay. Next, we look at the exercise armature control. For example, find theta L S per VAS. Okay, this is by using the previous mechanism. You will get this transfer function in order to control the theta S, the position of load. You can do it through control, do vary the VA, do vary this. Okay, find the transfer function between theta LS per EAS. EAS is the voltage here. The voltage here. It is field, and this is the armature. This is the load. Here there are gear to reduce or to increase the speed. Okay, that is the mechanism. And then what is AQ? That is AQ. Okay, in this case it means we transfer this side into this side, the mechanism, and then we get this. Next, field control. Armature current is fixed and variable voltage is applied to field current. Now the variable voltage is applied to field current. Then armature current is fixed. And then for the given, this is a per unit, and you find the theta ms and EF. It means we vary the position, we control the position of the load or shaft of the motor by vary the voltage of field. Where assume that Kf is the torque constant of effect of field. Okay, that is the circuit diagram, equivalent circuit diagram. This is the armature. We give the constant input voltage, and then and EF. This we vary in order to get the position here. Okay, that is field circuit. This field circuit based on our applying Kirchhoff law, we get this formula. And then EF, we see here EF is equal to voltage here and voltage here. Voltage in RF and then voltage in LF it is equal to EF. This voltage plus this voltage, or in the Laplace form, like equation 1. Okay, it is in the mechanical side. This is here torque Tm. It is to move the load. The theta m, that is the position of load. Jm, that is GL, that is load inertia. BL, this is the damping phenomena, damping coefficient. Okay, by applying Newton second law, then we can get that Tm it is equal to theta ms in the bracket Ja plus JL S square plus BA BLS. For Tm, it is equal to theta ms S in the bracket GM S square plus BMS, where GM this is GA plus GL and BM this BA plus BL. This simply if we assume like that, like this. Okay, relationship between TM and IF, where TM talks, in this case it is effect of field current, and then TM proportional to IF, and then in order to the same in mathematics we multiply with constant the KF. KF, that is KF, that is the Stokes constant effect of field current. Okay, now we have three equations. The equation first, that is equation 1, this electrical part, and then TM, the second, that is mechanical part, and then the third, that is correlation between or relationship between electrical and mechanical here. Okay, and then from equation 3 and 2, and then we get the EF here from the equation 3, that we get EF that is equal to TM per KF, and then TM here we substitute values, and then we get equation 4, and from equation 4 and 1, okay, from equation 4 and 1 we get that EF here we substitute EF into equation 1, and then we get equation this formula. Okay, last we get that theta m as per EFS, that is equal to KF per S, the bracket in the bracket LF GM S square plus open bracket LF BM plus RF GM close bracket S plus RF BM close bracket, where GM that is GA plus GL, BM that is BA plus BL. Okay, this all armature control and field control. Okay, next speed and position control, modeling of speed and position control of system. Okay, now modeling closed loop position control system. Okay, that is the example closed loop position control system. It is for example, this system is N10 system that previous in the first chapter I have explained to you. Loop, that is the antenna plate. Okay, then okay, there is the gear to reduce the speed. Okay, there is two here, two potentiometer here. First, there is input potentiometer to change the input variable to be into the electrical, and then output potentiometer to change the output in theta into the electrical. Okay, here there is the controller, there is the amplifiers, this is the motor. Okay, this is the block diagram. Okay, the objective of this system is to control the position of the mechanical load in a car linked with the reference position. The operation of this system is as below. A pair of potentiometer acts as an error measuring device, and then for input potentiometer PIT equal to KP KP theta IT. Okay, for the output potentiometer POT equal to KP theta OT. This is the PIT POT, that is the voltage. Theta, that is the position. Okay, the error signal, that is PIT minus POT, or if we substitute its values, and then we got that PAT equal to KP theta IT minus KP theta OT. This we assume equation 1. These error signal are amplified by the amplifier gain constant Ks, and then we get that VA T it is equal to Ks VAT. It is the amplified. The VAT equal to Ks VAT. Okay, transforming equation 1 and 2, we get that PES equal to KP theta IS minus KP theta OS. This equation 3. And then by using the mathematical model developed previously, and gear the block diagram of the position control system it is like this. Each of the component we can see here. It is this we develop based on previous formula. For example, here PES is equal to KP theta IS. KP theta IS. It is KP theta IS minus KP theta OS. This is the theta OS. This theta O. Here, this right. Okay. This formula we get from previous formula. This block diagram. This from this block diagram we can see the relationship with other parameter and then the effect into the system, whole system. Okay, transfer function theta ms per VAS it is equal to KT divided with in the bracket LS plus R close bracket open bracket J equivalent S plus B 1 equivalent close bracket plus KT KB, where let J I equivalent equal to J and B equivalent equal to B, and then we get the simple formula. It is the simple formula. For the small motor, the armature inductance L is small and can be neglected, where L it mean equal to 0. Then the transfer function become like this. And if we divide it numerator and denominator with BR plus KT KB, and then we get this formula. If we assume Km is equal to KT per BR plus KT KB, then we call motor gain, and tau M it is equal to R J per BR plus KT KB. It is we call motor time constant, and then the transfer function it is become more simple. It is theta M per theta ms per PAS equal to Km per TM S plus 1, like first order system. Okay, the simplified block diagram. This the simplified block diagram is like this, where error it is theta I S minus theta OS. It's error. Okay, from the block diagram we get that GS from this GS theta 0S per theta IS, that is equal to Km, Kp, Ks, Km, N per S in the bracket 1 plus Tm S close bracket. That is the formula. Let K is equal to Kp, Ks, Km, N, and then we got Gs that K per S in the bracket 1 plus Tm S. Therefore, we get that the transfer function theta OS atau theta 0S per theta IS is equal to K per S in the bracket 1 plus TMS close bracket per 1 plus K per S in the bracket 1 plus TMS close bracket. And then we get that K per S in the bracket 1 plus TMS close bracket plus K. Okay, if this we multiple inside the bracket, and then we get that K per TMS square plus S plus K, or if we divide it numerator and denominator with Tm, and then we get that K per Tm per S square plus 1 per TMS plus K per Tm. It is a second order system. Okay, from the equation above, if theta I is given, therefore theta 0 we get, and there is theta 0 t we get it from the by using Laplace inverse. Laplace inverse of this formula. And from that, the value K are not fixed and can be changed. Therefore, the system response depend on the value of K. Value of K. Modeling closed loop position control system with velocity feedback. Okay. A tachometer is coupled to the motor shaft so that a voltage signal which is proportional to the motor speed can be feedback as shown below. This is the tachometer. It is it transfer function. Okay, this is to feedback the speed. The speed here. Okay, the theta is, that is the input, and theta os, that is the output. And it is the closed loop position control system with velocity feedback. It is velocity feedback. This is the velocity we feedback. Yeah. Okay. From the block diagram above, the transfer function for theta ms per vat, it means for this part, the transfer function for this part, we get that KSKM per 1 plus TMS plus KSKM kg. Therefore, the forward phase transfer function of the system, or we call GS, it means forward transfer function. This is forward transfer function. This is Kp, Ks, Km, N per S in the bracket 1 plus STM plus Ks, Km, kg. Okay, or the simple one, it is K per S in the bracket TMS plus 1 plus Ks, Km, kg. Therefore, the transfer function of the system is given theta 0s per theta is equal to K per S in the bracket TMS plus 1 plus Ks, Km, kg divided with the 1 plus K per S in the bracket Tm S plus 1 plus Ks plus Km Kg, or equal to K per in the bracket Tm S plus 1 plus Ks Km Kg, close bracket, or we simplified it, become K per S square Tm plus in the bracket 1 plus Ks Km Kg, close bracket S plus K. Okay. And modeling a closed loop velocity control system. This figure shows the schematic diagram for a speed control system. Now the speed is we control. The input is potentiometer, and it is the amplifier. It is the motor circuit, and it is the mechanical. And now we use a tachyometer to measure the speed. Okay, input voltage this VI it is proportional to theta I, proportional to omega I, input velocity, and precision control of the angular velocity of an inertia loop driven directly by an armature control DC motor can be achieved by comparing an input voltage VI representing a demanded speed and drive from a source constant velocity voltage Vs via a potentiometer with a feedback voltage Vg derived from a tachyometer coupled to the motor shaft. Therefore, we get that PAT it is equal to VIT minus VJT, where PAT it is equal to KS PET. Okay, the block diagram of the system is like this. It is the velocity feedback. It is tachyometer. Okay, this is the motor. This is the amplifier. Okay. The transfer function for the previous system, that is theta ms. Per PAS omega ms per PAS this equal to KT per in the bracket R plus LS close bracket open bracket GM S plus BM close bracket plus KT KB. For small motor, the armature inductance L can be neglected where equal to 0, and then we get the simple one. This theta omega ms per PAS is equal to KT per R in the bracket JMS plus BM close bracket plus KT KB. Okay, if we multiply R inside the bracket, and then we get that R GMS plus close bracket open bracket R BM plus KT KB. Okay, if all side we divided with R BM plus KTKB, and we get this. We get this we get that this formula. Okay, if we assume that KT per RBM plus KTKB equal to KM motor gain, and then RGM per RBM plus KTKB equal to M motor time constant, and then the transfer function is become simple. omega ms per Ps is equal to Km per 1 plus S tau m. The overall transfer function, that is, we get that omega ms per theta I s is equal to Kp Ks Km per S tau m plus in the bracket 1 plus Ks Km Kg. Okay, that is the last of the overall transfer function. Okay, the speed regulation refer extra node X.